Hi friends! Today, I will explain how to set up a trading bot that will work for you around the clock. Even while you sleep, it will continue to seek profit opportunities. What are trading bots on Bybit? They are automated algorithms that execute trades on the cryptocurrency market independently. You can choose to operate on the spot market with real assets or on futures with leverage up to 100. It all depends on your strategy. How to get started? Go to the Bybit homepage. Click on Trade. In the upper left corner, open the menu, 3 dots. Select the Trading Bots section. What's next? An interface with a control panel will open. In the center, you'll see categories of available bots. Let's start with the safest option. Spot bots that work with real coins like BTC and ETH with no liquidation risk. Select the Spot Grid bot from the menu. This tool takes over the trading. It automatically buys assets when prices drop and sells when they rise, profiting from market fluctuations. Your capital is divided into 2 parts. The first part is used for the initial purchase of coins. The second part is for additional purchases if the price moves against your position. The main idea is to earn from price changes within a specified range. It's important to know. The grid bot performs best in a sideways market where prices move within a corridor. In strong trends, whether upward or downward, its effectiveness may decrease. Now let's go step by step to set up the bot for profitability. Go to Spot Grid. Click to select a pair and find Sol USDT using the volume filter in the spot section. In the bot settings, choose manual mode. Set the lower limit of the range, for example $120. Set the upper limit of the range, for example $185. Specify the number of trades. The bot will divide the range into 20 parts, each bringing around 2.7% profit. Enter the amount you want to invest. Click Create Bot. It will start working. Life hack for beginners. If you're unsure what levels to set, trust the AI strategy button. Bybit will automatically calculate the optimal values based on past price movements. It's convenient, quick, and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, please support it with a like and a comment. It helps the channel grow and motivates us to create even more valuable content. Another interesting spot bot is the Smart Portfolio or AI bot. Go to the corresponding tab and you'll see ready-made portfolios along with a button to create your portfolio. This bot automatically rebalances assets by selling coins that have significantly increased in price and buying those that have decreased to maintain a set ratio, such as 40% BTC, 40% ETH, and 20% Doge. The interface displays the current portfolio balance, its returns, and a rebalance button to manually initiate this process. Click on the currency pair such as Doge, USDT, and a panel will open with 2 options, AI strategy and manual mode. The AI strategy analyzes the market and suggests a ready-made price range, number of grids, and amount, for example, a minimum of $24 for Doge USDT. The manual mode allows you to set the parameters yourself. At the bottom of the panel, you can see the estimated profit per grid and the minimum amount. It will be easier for beginners to start with AI mode to understand the mechanics of how it works. Now, let's dive into more advanced tools. The Futures Grid bot operates with contracts and allows you to profit from both rising and falling prices by utilizing leverage. Select Futures Grid bot, and you'll see subcategories: Futures Grid, DCA, CTA, and quantitative trading. The Futures Grid functions similarly to the spot market, but here you have the option to choose long or short positions. Go to the Futures Grid tab, select a pair such as BTC, USDT, and a panel will appear with AI strategy and manual mode. In AI mode, the exchange offers preset parameters: price range, number of grids, and leverage. In manual mode, you can set these parameters yourself. On the right, you'll see the minimum amount, for example $34, along with an example using 5x leverage, which also displays the estimated liquidation price. At the top of the panel, there's a risk parameters button where you can choose between isolated or cross margin and set leverage from 1x to 125. There's a trailing grid toggle that moves the order range with the market during significant price fluctuations. Starting tip: if you're just beginning, don't take risks. Opt for lower leverage, 2x to 5x. This will help you avoid sharp losses and give you time to get accustomed to trading. And now, an important update. Our Telegram channel has launched an AI agent that monitors the market 24/7. You'll find fresh insights, analytics, trading signals, and a live chat with traders. Soon, you'll also have access to a personal AI assistant. Check the link in the description. Don't miss out. There is also a Futures DCA bot available under the DCA tab. This bot gradually purchases an asset as its price decreases, helping to lower the average cost of your position. It operates in both the spot and futures markets. Select a currency pair such as ETH USDT and a panel will appear on the screen with AI strategy or manual mode. On the right, you'll find the minimum amount, historical returns, and a create button. In the settings, you can establish the frequency of purchases and the maximum number of orders. The more frequently the bot averages the price, the more stable the results. However, this will require more funds. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the My Bots section, which displays all your active strategies. Here you can see currency pair, type, spot or futures, current profit, floating P&L, margin used. On the right, you'll have action buttons available: configure to change parameters, close to stop operation, copy settings to create a new bot with similar parameters, share to showcase your strategy on social media. Next to it is the history tab, where you can view completed bots along with final returns, launch dates, and closure dates. In the bot rankings section, you can find top strategies from other users, sorted by returns, popularity, or type. Click on an interesting strategy and a window will open with its parameters and a copy button to launch the same one. Helpful advice: Before launching someone else's strategy with real money, test it in demo mode. This will help you avoid unnecessary risks and better understand how the algorithm works. The demo mode on Bybit is a fantastic opportunity for beginners. In the Demo Trading tab, you can try out any type of bot, spot grid, DCA, or CTA. All trades are executed with virtual funds, allowing you to learn the mechanics without financial losses. If you have any questions about the setup, be sure to check out the educational section on Bybit. It features video tutorials and guides covering everything from strategy selection to risk management. Remember, trading bots are not a guarantee of income, but rather a tool for automation. Always manage your risks and allocate your capital wisely. Now, you know how to launch a bot and earn passive income. Want more strategies, market analysis, and earning ideas? Join our Telegram. Link in the description. If you found this interesting, don't forget to give us a like and leave a few words in the comments. It helps grow the channel and motivates us to create even more valuable content. See you soon.